Welcome to Artistic Design. By the end of this video, the students will be able to learn about spiral tool and shape tools. For this, let us first open a new page. Go to File, New. A new drawing page appears. I'll increase the size of the viewing page to 400%. Next, I will choose a spiral tool which is available here. This is a spiral tool. Just choose it. And to the top left, you can see the number of revolution in a spiral. You can increase or decrease this number. Now I'll just set it to 3. Next, to the right hand side, you have a symmetrical spiral. This will provide you even revolution spacing. This is logarithmic spiral, which will apply tighter revolution spacing. For our example, we will choose symmetrical spiral and just drag your mouse on the drawing page like this. The number 3 that shows here shows you the number of even revolution. It is 1, 2 and 3 as shown. The outline of this spiral can be increased to 1. Default it is 0.5. We can set it to 1 point as shown. For increasing its visibility, I just resize the spiral. Now I am just going to place a text on the spiral along its path as shown. For this, select the text tool and place it somewhere on the spiral, where place it until the plus symbol changes it to curve symbol. This is the exact point. I will set it to the smaller size so that it moves along the path of the spiral. I will set the text color also to red and I will start typing. Since it is moving on to the right hand side, I should choose the text part somewhere at the end. So I will just remove this. Then just delete it and choose one more path. Once again I'll do the process. Select the text and choose one more path somewhere here. You should change the curve. Plus symbol has to be changed to curve. Yes, so this has been changed. The size should be reduced and change the text color. It has been changed to magenta. Now I will type the text. See how it appears. Welcome to Artistic. It follows the path of the spiral. I keep on typing, it will automatically follows the path of the spiral. So this is what. So the text has been aligned along the path of the spiral. Next, let us see another example using spiral tool in logarithmic. For this, I have to choose the, once again I have to choose a spiral. I have to choose the logarithmic spiral and I can increase the size to 4, and it's just the reverse. It looks reverse like this. I can also do the same process. Choose a text tool and give a color to the text and place the text till it becomes a curve. The size can be reduced to 6 and I can type. The color is not set. Once again I am setting the color of the text to green and I will type. The curve, the text or font can also be set like this. You can see to the left there is ABC. See how there is different type of text orientation. This one, you can have lots of choices. This specifies the text that blends along the path of the spiral. Next, we will move on to the shape tool. For this, I will once again open a new drawing page. Before that, I save this page as spiral. Next, I'll open a new page to demonstrate shape tool. For this, I will go to the same tool, just click it. Here you can see shapes, basic shapes. You can choose. This is a parallelogram, and through this, just shapes, you can have any type of shapes that is shown here. I can draw a cylinder, and to this I can choose any shapes. And for example, if this is the shape, I can also fill this particular shape with blue color. I can also fill this shape with the magenta color and fill with the yellow color. So there is lots of shapes where I can first I have to choose the shape. Only then you can select the different shapes. Only then you can option like this icon appears where you can select them. So that will appear over here. See this how it appears. So this can be, the color can be filled like this. Suppose you want the outline of this particular object to be changed. For this, just click this outline pen, double click it. A dialog box appears like this. Choose a color. Suppose I choose a yellow color and say OK. So the border lines appears in yellow color. Applying the basic shapes, I will explain how to place a text on that shape. For this, from the shape tool, I am choosing banner shape. This is the banner shape where I am going to just emboss a text on this banner. For this, I will just fill this particular banner with some color. Okay, I am choosing red color. that is filled. Next I'm just going to type yellow. Message type is hello. For this, choose a text tool. Just click it on the banner shape. Choose a font and set the size. Then and just type hello. This color also can be changed to yellow, and the font size is, the message is size is very small. I can enlarge the size by just enlarging it like this. I can enlarge its size like this. So this is by using a placing the text on the banner shape. Next, I will group this text with the banner. For this, I have to choose the banner shape as well as the text. For this, click Shift key along with, for this, choose the text as well as the image. It is a banner shape together, and right click using the mouse on the object and group objects, or just click Ctrl G. If I say group objects, the text will be grouped with a particular shape. Then I can move this banner anywhere on the drawing page. It will not move separately, it will move along with the text. I can also enlarge this banner of any size. It automatically, the text also enlarges along with the banner. I think I am very much clear with the shapes and the spiral tool. Thank you.